Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting. So we'll take the news part and then we'll comment on the reason Microsoft gives for it. So Microsoft Office subscription, the Office 365 subscriptions, have reached 400 million. There's 400 million subscribers for Office 365. That is mostly business users, but also quite a lot of users like me. I am a Office 365 subscriber. I like it because I use Word a lot, and also because of its 1 terabyte, cloud storage, which I find nice and syncs with other devices. I like it also because my Office 365 subscription includes 5 family members. So I have my nephew that's using it thanks to my subscription. So, instead of having separate Office installs, it kind of doesn't cost that much when you look at the overall possibilities. And there might be 2 other friends that might actually add their names to my family subscription. So, it means that for the price that I pay, it's actually pretty nice. But, that said, for most people, this is not necessary. And there are some really, really good, replacements out there. If you're not a big power user, LibreOffice is perfect and you don't have to pay for it. So, and that's where I will push most users. I'll say, that's fine. Now, that said, 400 million subscribers is staggering. And it is pretty amazing that Microsoft is able to do that. When the subscriptions became available even for, regular users, a lot of people said, well, this will never work. Well, this is an example that it does work, and that Microsoft seems to know how to run its business. Now, the funny part of it, what probably is the most funny, the most interesting comment about it, is that apparently AI has something to do with it, and Copilot has something to do with it. And that makes me kind of laugh, because I'm like, well, I can't see how Copilot bumps up any Office subscriptions in any way. This is probably where I find the comment kind of, it's a comment of a company that's trying to push AI, definitely. And they're using it as, oh, well, look at how Copilot is amazing because it's pushing our subscriptions. And you're like, yeah, well, no, that's not at all the reason. I don't think it has anything to do, actually, to push the Office subscriptions. But nonetheless, kind of amazing that Office 365 is able to go and get 400 million subscribers. Pretty amazing for the Office part of Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.